Greetings viewers. In today's video I have a presentation of what's in the bag. I should add this isn't product placement or sponsorship. It just happens to be where I bought these items. Now what I have in this bag is something I picked up at Coles yesterday. It's a Matchbox Action Drivers set. This one's the bus station. I believe Matchbox are actually going to rebrand these at some stage and they'll no longer be called Action Drivers. I guess it'll just be a Matchbox bus station in the future. Or whatever the item is. As some viewers of this channel may be aware, about a month or so back, my trusty old Ford Falcon station wagon failed to proceed or broke down. A road service person from the NRMA, which is a road service in my state of New South Wales, he strongly thought it was a broken fuel pump. As my wife's vehicle currently has a clutch issue or gearbox issue, don't know, the mechanics still haven't got around to looking at it. The timing of my car going wasn't great. I finally dropped it off 2.5 weeks ago and I was able to pick up my car yesterday morning. It's fixed, runs great. Yeah, took it for a good drive yesterday, covered about 200 kilometres. I went to this particular Coles supermarket after I picked up the vehicle because I thought I'd go and get an orange juice. And of course, knowing this particular Coles supermarket sometimes sells premium Hot Wheels, I thought I'd try my chance and see if they had any. And they didn't. They did have some Silver Series, so semi-premiums. But what did catch my eye was this. I'm pretty sure this was at the front of the shelf. And I thought, no way, they've got Action Drivers sets. Yeah, so this one, the bus station, it doesn't have the year on it. I think this one came out 2022. So it's been around for a while, but this one, they've removed that, which is a good thing, I guess. But, yeah, really good to see these. I am a fan. I've got 4 of these sets. One's a large airport. Car wash is twice the size of this one. Service station and tyre repair place. They're the same size as these, I think. But yes. And in the background, it's got the tyre repair shop. But yes, quite a pleasant surprise to see these. This one here's the FedEx Package Center. And if you see in the background, there's the fuel station as well as the tyre repair shop, or tyre and auto it is. But yeah, it of course comes with the express delivery van, and the bus station comes with a city bus. Yeah, it's really happy to see this one. Oh man, I was happy to see all of them actually. I'm a big fan of these sets. It's yeah, something. It was really good to see these. When I seen these were going to be released, I think these might have came out later, these express delivery vans. But I do know I bought one for my carded collection, and I'm sure I bought an extra one to go with this set. So, you know, when it's set up eventually, this FedEx van and another one can be, you know, displayed with it. And because this car parking space is for a wheelchair or handicapped space, you know, put some sort of regular car in there for display. This one here, this is pretty fresh. 2024, so this is still got the branding. Tells you it's unassembled. Yeah, the Matchbox Police Traffic Centre with the Action Drivers branding still. Comes with a Ford Police Interceptor. But this is a traffic centre. In the background you can see a fire station as well. I don't know whether that's the big fire station. And unfortunately, a couple of months ago, I did see a fire station on Facebook Marketplace really cheap. It was missing the fire truck, but the Action Drivers fire station was in good condition, and it was priced at a good price. It was just located a 2-hour drive from me, so I didn't end up going to pick it up, but I wish I did, because they're a hard set to find. It's got traffic lights, but yeah, another nice set. Now, the last set that I have is the Matchbox Action Drivers or Matchbox Pizza Hut Pizza Run set. Comes with a Volkswagen GTI as they're calling it, or a Golf GTI. And it comes with a rooftop sign. Yeah, so it's really good. I think I may already have a grey Volkswagen Golf GTI. Have to check. But yeah, this is another great set. I'm really happy with all of them, to be honest. I did see on a Facebook Hot Wheels page that someone had bought one of these Action Drivers sets from a Coles where they were. I think they're in the Australian state of Victoria. Might have been the Pizza Hut set. Not sure exactly. And someone said, oh, why would they be selling a set from a few years ago at Coles? But yeah, it took a while for them to reach up here in New South Wales on the Central Coast, but yeah, they're definitely selling them. Now, opening the Pizza Hut set. I won't open all of them, of course. You get your instructions. Which comes with a sticker sheet. And the item, and how to put it all together. Now, this is the pile of bits that is inside. The old Pizza Hut, you know, their, I don't know, trademark rooftop. You can always tell an old Pizza Hut when you drive around because they got that distinctive roof. I'll put the stickers on and then I'll put it together. So this is the Pizza Hut Pizza Run from Matchbox. Had to apply a few stickers like this one on the back, the ones on the sign, the ones on the store, ones on the road and in the car park, fake grass. But assembly was pretty easy. The Golf with its Pizza Hut sign on the roof, I guess. I'd imagine on a real car this would light up. Never actually seen a Pizza Hut car getting around with one of these roof lights on. I've seen Domino's Pizza. I've seen their cars getting around with roof lights. But that's it. Pretty easy. It's a small set, so it doesn't take long to put together at all. Get a couple of pieces of road. Don't know how they'd line up with other sets. I guess it's a bit of trial and error. You can add some cars. When the car goes on this pad, the door opens, and I'll zoom in a bit. The Pizza Hut staff member, too much. Pizza Hut staff member comes out with a pizza for the customer. Must be a convertible day. And we'll put the Corvette in there. Yeah, the Pizza Hut vehicles going on a run. Oh, he's tailgating the other car. We better not have that. That's irresponsible. But, yeah, it's part of a complete set. I think it's a good thing. So, that's it. Well, this coming to a conclusion of the Matchbox Action Drivers playsets. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for viewing. Goodbye.